everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. Today's one of my favorites. It is my Fashom, and I think this is like the 6th box that I've received, and I love doing the clothing subscriptions and the try-ons and trying to see what I like and what I'm keeping and all that good stuff. So we're going to get right into it. We're not going to waste too much time on chit-chat. Let me just flip this around. So when you open your box, this is what you see. So you get your return mailer here, and this is, you get an envelope, and this is USPS. So we'll put that off to the side. We don't need that. And then here, you know, hello beautiful. And inside we will have, oh, okay. So you have better as I am is their hashtag, and I have a little note from my stylist. And then on the back, it tells you what's next. And then this, which I will have to cover up a little bit, is my invoice right here. Let me just try to cover the invoice. Gives you, you know, your items, and, you know, you get a discount. Here it is 30% for keeping all 5, 25% for keeping 3 or 4 pieces. And then there is a style fee of $15, I do believe, $15 that you will receive as a credit towards anything that you, and I'll put this back here, I usually do pricing when I try on. The $15 styling credit you receive if you keep an item or more than one. If you return all the items, you forfeit your $15 styling fee. This is not an automatic subscription box per se. You have to go on to Fashom.com and initiate the style box and just go through any notes that you want to leave for your stylist, and you know, then they curate, they email you with, I think it's like 7 or 8 items, and you choose which 5 will be put in your box. So you sort of kind of have an idea, but pictures don't do items justice at all. Sometimes, you know, you pick something that gets really cute and you get it, and you're like, ooh, and vice versa. So you do fill out a profile, and it is 8 items that you get to preview. You pick 5, and you have 3 days to decide what items you will keep, or if you are sending anything back. And I do know if you need any, you know, additional time, you just email them, and they will grant you a few extra days. And then here's my bundle in the box. So we're just going to take this right out and get rid of the box. And this is what I see. Well, you're going to see first. Oh, didn't really show you much of anything because the way the tissue is, so I'll show this side. And it's wrapped nice, you know, in their tissue. And we're just going to get right in. Always excited for these types of, just get tissue down and try not to make any noise. So the first item is from Chris and Carol. This is in olive, and this is a size medium, and I do believe this is a top. Yeah, so this is just a, you know, scoop neck, 3/4 sleeve, lightweight, has a little bit of banding, and I did say olive on there, and then it just has like a little curved hem, plain, which I like, a little, maybe a little flowy, which is nice. So we have that. The second item is from 22nd. This is Dusty Mint in medium, and I do believe this is a top too. And this is like more like an Aztec design, not like Southwest. Little like cap sleeve, like a shorter scoop neck, pretty straight down bottom. Like the colorings are up here. It's a nice like dusty mint and like an oatmeal. Nice colors. I don't know how I feel about that when I saw it, and I was like, okay, let me see. You never know. And that's really cute, nice and soft. Ooh. I have a pair of just black denim made in the USA, and these I think are a 10, right? I don't think these are a petite. Let me just find their tag. No. Okay. Let's just say it. Hem destruction skinny. Okay. White jeans. You know, functioning pocket, like they're like half pockets. Functioning pockets in the back. I've never owned a pair of white jeans. And then here is the hemline. Let me show you a little bit better the hemline, if I can. I'm having a hard time here today. Okay, maybe that's a little bit easier. So here's the hemline. Let's get that out of the way. So it's destructed hemline, which might be cute. Like I said, these are nice and soft. Never owned a pair of white jeans, so I was very intrigued when I saw them. I was like, ooh, with the spring summer, that would be perfect. And then these I know are a pair of leggings, because I obviously, you know, you do see your the items you pick them. These are vintage denim, I think that is. Here's the leggings. You know, pockets on the side. Just your straight, you know, so is a little seam. You know, straight, long, regular length leggings. I've been loving leggings as of late. And then this is something I wasn't sure on, and this is from, I think, Julie. This is a size medium in navy. And I do believe this says J'adore in like a purple. So it's just it's a lightweight sweater. It's long sleeve. Wasn't sure about it. You know, it has an open, like a destruction there. And then, you know, just a plain back. This is oversized. And then your hemline is destructed. I don't know if you maybe might see that better. I'll make sure I try it on with the jeans. So it's not like a straight bottom. I don't know how I feel about that. This is kind of cute. This is very like oversized for sure. So let's get right to the try on. I am excited, and that's when I'll give you prices for everything. And I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, I have two of the items on. I have the Just Black Hem Destruction Skinny Pants, Optic White, and these are a size 10. These are $76. And then I have the Julie J'adore long sleeve knit top, a medium navy, $48. You can see the destruction here at the hemline. At this hemline, you can see, I figured with the white you would see it the most. I mean, it is a little long. This would be a great lounge, you know, with a pair of leggings, shirt. I mean, it is kind of big, but I think it's supposed to be. The neckline, I thought it would be higher up, but it's not. Here's the back. So it's definitely oversized. I don't know how I feel about it, and I definitely don't think I need something like this now, even though it is lightweight, and I could wear it now because it's May, and we're still in 30s and 40s here. So the jeans, the length is fine. I don't mind the destruction. I just don't know. Like I said, I've never owned a pair of white jeans, so I just honestly don't know. I mean, the pockets are short pockets, so you could rest your hands in them. I think they fit fine. They're not tight probably at all. I just don't know. I mean, 76, is that what I said, $76? I just don't know how I feel about white jeans. I think maybe if they weren't skinny jeans, I don't know. Like I said, this is new to me, and I think I could get away with so many tops with the white jeans. So of course you'll let me know what you think, and I'll leave the jeans on and try on, or maybe I'll change and put the leggings on, and I'll be back with something. Okay, I have two more items on. I have the 22nd Aztec print top in a medium dusty mint, $41. And these are Ray Mode, excuse me, Amelia Butter leggings with side pockets, and they do have side pockets. And these are medium large, I think. Vintage blue, $35, so fairly priced. Very nice leggings. They fit well. They don't, like, sometimes they compress and make your butt too flat. I think the fit is great. They're not too long. The seams lay right. So I definitely think the leggings are a hit. This top, I'm just not a fan of at all. I thought it would be cute. This is just not my style at all. So I'm going to try the last top on with these leggings. I'll leave these on, and we'll be right back. Okay, I have the last top on, and this is by Chris and Carol, 3/4 sleeve top in a medium. This is olive, the color, and it's $35. I think the sleeves are perfect. They're just like below my elbow, which I think is a great length that you could get away with in the spring and summer. If you go in to a restaurant, at least a little bit more of your arm is covered. The neckline, this is like a wider scoop, but still, you know, bra friendly. Nice opening of the neck to put a nice necklace on. I think this fits, you know, nice up and through here. where it's not real baggy, and then it sort of flows out a little bit, is a curved hem here on the side, so it is curved. A little flowy towards the bottom, which is perfectly fine. And I think this would be great. Obviously, I left the leggings on for leggings. It's long enough with jeans. I could wear this with shorts, capris, with so many things, and I love olive. And I really like how it opens up your neck. Just, and sometimes too high neck in the summer when it's hot. And here in Pennsylvania, if we have a hot summer, we're high temperatures and high humidity. So anything up too close, that's why I love V-necks. Anything like a regular t-shirt that's up at your throat, can't do. I always have to cut a V in it or just don't buy them. So I definitely like these two pieces the best. You let me know what you think of the jeans. And rather than come back in my traditional style where we sit down and go over everything, I definitely don't like this top, the Aztec top. While I love this sweater, it's lightweight and feels great. I just don't need it for right now. Maybe in the fall, in the winter, I would love that for a cozy item for, you know, just hanging around and laying on the couch and stuff like that. That nice. I'm not sure about the white jeans at all. You guys let me know what you think. I'll look back at the footage also. I definitely love these leggings. I love the leggings with the pockets. I think I have 2 other pair like this. Even though I don't put my cell phone in it, but like if I went out for a walk, I could just put a single key in there. This way I could get back in the house. If I took the dogs for a walk, I could put their little bags in my pocket. This way I'm not carrying it, even though it's on the one leash. But I definitely think the leggings are a keeper. I don't know if I have this color blue or not. I don't think so. And I really do like this top, and I love olive, especially on me. I have a little bit of the olive undertone, so usually it's a good color for me, and I really do like this shirt. It fits well. So you all let me know what you think down in the description or in the comments. What should I keep? What should I send back? These are the 2 pieces that I'm leaning on towards keeping, and these 3 to send back. So I value your opinion, and I love to hear what you have to think. And I hope everyone is doing well. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.